Thank you.
You're welcome.
Get the steak. This is the Bloody Mary from the Pig and Anchor. It's like a whole order of bacon, olives, celery. Well, time to drink. See you later. Pig and Anchor, Bloody Mary, Breakfast of Champions. Yes. C-Day Saturday, we're here watching football at Guy's Pig and Anchor. We got a bucket of wings with the Parmesan garlic dressing.
I've been giving you the worst. Now you wanna stay tonight. Pretty how you work hard for me. We're forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marry me. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. I like it when you shit, chat, shit. I like it when you're looking like that. Or shy to find, don't mind my reaction. I like it when you look like that. Don't wanna watch your bugger with a white mouth. Nah, just like it when you're looking